இன்றைக்கி நம்ம சேனலில் கொஞ்சம் மோட்டிவேஷ்னல் கோட்ஸ் பார்க்கலாமா? உன்னை மற்றவர்கள் மதிக்காமல் அலட்சியப்படுத்தும் போதே தெரிந்து கொள், உன் வாழ்க்கையில் நீ செல்லும் பாதை சரியானது என்று. Relationship are like birds. If you hold tightly, they die. If you hold loosely, they fly. But if you hold with care, they remain with you forever. Every day starts with some expectations but ends with some experience. This is life. So enjoy the day every day. A gentle word, a kind look, a good-natured smile can work wonders and accomplish miracles. Problems never stay long. They just put their signature in the experience book of your life and move away. Words can inspire, thoughts can provoke, but only action truly brings you closer to your dreams. When things change inside you, things change around you. Sometimes what looks like an obstacle in your path is actually a gift meant to move you in a different direction. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Everything you need is already inside you. Don't wait for others to light your fire. You have your own matches. Never stop believing in hope because miracles happen every day. May your day begins with a smile on your face, peace of mind, love in your heart, and happiness in your soul. Speak only when you feel that your words are better than your silence. விபரம் தெரிந்த பிறகுதான் தெரிகிறது. விபரம் தெரியாத வயதில் வாழ்ந்த அந்த வாழ்க்கைதான் சொர்க்கம் என்று. Good morning. Sometimes in life everything goes smoothly and sometimes unexpected happens. The important thing is knowing how to turn problems into opportunities. Expecting and trusting is never wrong. The only thing is you should know from whom to expect and whom to trust. The moment you start acting like life is a blessing, it starts feeling like one. Don't give up before the miracle happens. Look at this worm. It never gives up before the miracle happens and turns into a butterfly, beautiful butterfly. It's important to realize that you are living inside one of your answered prayers while you wait for your next one. There is always a place for gratitude. Good morning. Enjoy today is one of the good old days you will miss in the future. So always enjoy today. Balance in all things is the answer to a happy life. So balance the things in your life. Life is so beautiful. One day, 1 hour, 1 minute will never come again. So just forget all problems and be happy. There is always something to be thankful for. So never forget these words. நம் மனம் எப்பொழுதெல்லாம் குழப்பத்தில் இருக்கிறதோ அப்போதெல்லாம் எதுவும் செய்யாமல் அமைதியாக இருப்பது ஒன்றே நன்மை செய்யும் தீர்வாக இருக்கும். Let the day be filled with God's blessings. May He guide you every step and speak to your heart, and may you enjoy the fulfillment of the blessings in all your ways. Of His blessings in all your ways. May your life be encompassed with peace and joy. Thank you. அடுத்து ஒரு சூப்பரான பதிவில் உங்களை நான் சந்திக்கிறேன். அது வரைக்கும் காத்துக்கிட்டு இருங்க. டாடா பாய்.